Designing a smart lighting system for your home involves careful planning, selecting the appropriate hardware, and integrating technology to enhance convenience and energy efficiency. Follow these steps to create an effective smart lighting system. 1. Assess your needs. Begin by evaluating the lighting requirements in different rooms of your house. Consider areas that require specific lighting, such as the kitchen, living room, bedrooms, and outdoor spaces. Think about how you use each area. For instance, soft lighting in relaxation areas and brighter lights in workspaces. 2. Select smart bulbs and fixtures. Choose compatible smart bulbs and fixtures that can be controlled remotely. Ensure they support the communication protocol you intend to use, such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, or Z-Wave. Opt for LED bulbs for better energy savings and lifespan. Some popular brands are Philips Hue, LifeX, and GE CYNC. 3. Pick a control system. Decide on a control system that suits your needs. This could be anything from simple smartphone apps to complex home automation systems like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit. You will want a system that allows scheduling, dimming, and scene setting. 4. Plan the installation. Map out where each bulb and fixture will go. Consider the wiring and electrical outlets required to support smart lighting devices. You may need to hire an electrician to update your home's wiring or install new outlets to accommodate the smart hardware. 5. Integrate sensors and switches. Incorporate motion sensors and smart switches for seamless control and automation. Motion sensors can automatically turn lights on and off based on movement, enhancing energy efficiency. Smart switches offer manual and remote control flexibility. 6. Schedule and set scenes. Use your chosen control system to create schedules and scenes for various occasions. For example, you may have a morning scene that adjusts lighting to brighten with the sunrise, or a night scene that dims lights for optimal relaxation. 7. Test and optimize. Once installed, test the system to ensure all devices are connected correctly and responding to commands. Make adjustments as needed to optimize performance and address any issues. 8. Monitor energy usage. Many smart lighting systems offer the ability to monitor energy consumption. Track your usage to identify areas where you can save energy and reduce costs. By following these steps, you can design a smart lighting system that transforms your home into a more comfortable, efficient, and convenient living space. Subscribe for more videos and tips.